Well, these videos are floating around TikTok right now. I looked at several the other day. They give people advice on how to react during a traffic stop. And this prompted the question to a local police department. The question, I've been seeing videos of people pulled over and refusing to roll the window down and not giving their ID. They say by state law, they don't have to comply. These are traffic stops that go off without a hitch. Other videos from people calling themselves First Amendment auditors are out there, though, advising you what to do in a traffic stop.
These things have been litigated for, years, and so there's volumes written about these topics. So trying to fit it into, a few paragraphs can be challenging.
But we're going to try anyway. You do need to show the officer your driver's license and proof of insurance. Some of these videos say you don't have to roll down your window and hand those things to the officer.
Depending on where the traffic stop is, on the side of the interstate, we probably won't play that game. If it's on the side of if it's on a side street in town, and we really, we can articulate that it's really not a safety issue, then we may go ahead and take a picture of the driver's license just to avoid conflict.
The TikTok people are wrong.
Attorney Grant Rallmeyer tells us once you're stopped and the officer has legal grounds to stop you, you should roll the window down and hand over the requested documents.
You do have to follow reasonable requests, such as, let me see your driver's license. They know that you're a legal driver. Let me see your insurance to show that you're, once again, it's legally required under Missouri law. So those are reasonable requests that must be complied with.
As the police chief says, the suspected violator is required to follow lawful orders during a traffic stop.
There is a time and a place to argue the legality of what the police do. And that is not at the side of a highway.
My advice always for all the KY3 viewers is just be nice, be compliant.
If you were pulled over for speeding, expired plates, or suspicion of drunk driving, you do have to follow reasonable requests. We're going to rate the advice in these TikTok videos as false. Now, if you have a question for Fact Finders, just email us right down there, factfinders@ky3.com.